Tontoni was a playful grey cat. He lives in a flat in the city with his own Maya. When Maya went to go to office, Tontoni would spend whole day sitting by the window watching the birds and car outside. One day, a small bird suddenly landed on the window of railing. The bird's wing is slightly injured. Tontoni was scared at first, but later realized that the bird was in trouble. He slowly went to the window and mew. Maya was very surprised to see the bird when she returned home. She put the bird in a small case, gave it a medicine and named it Chiku. Tontoni would sit next to the Chiku every day, as if it had become her companion. After a few weeks, Chiku wings were fixed. Maya opened the case and next the window. But surprisingly, Chiku would fly away and come back every day and sit on Tontoni's window. Tontoni understands that true friendship never fades. Birds and cats, who are not usually friends, can also be soulmates.